Hi, I'm Michael Bonham. Welcome to Reset Funding. I'm a co-founder, along with my business partner, Mrs. Jody Cox. Today, we're going to go over and cover alternative business financing with our company here at resetfunding.com. Today is part one. We're going to cover two topics: 0% interest business and personal credit line cards up to $150,000. Also, we're going to cover in topic number two, equipment financing from pencils to bulldozers. Then next videos that will be coming up, part two, we'll have two more topics, part three, two more topics, and so forth down the line until we cover and complete all the financing programs we offer. So you'll have knowledge of what we offer and how we can benefit you. Now, before we jump into these topics, let me introduce you to resetfunding.com. This is where you're going to have a lot of information to have access to the capital that you need, what we do, how we do it, how we can provide the funding you need, as well as the tools that can benefit a startup or existing business. This will even be perfect for even if you're just starting out with business ideas. Let's begin. So here's our homepage. Here, a good amount of information about who we are. Our slogan is empowering dreams, one loan at a time. And going forward, more about us, unlocking your business potential, building relationships for success. And then, of course, here, our expertise that we're going to cover today, these two particular topics here. Our reset funding application, not more than about 5 minutes to get that completed, unlike traditional lending where it's going to take maybe an hour and a half with all the stuff that they're going to need just to even look at it. We can really do this very simply with the information that we need on our particular application to make this a very simple process and an enjoyable one at that, to where you're not burdened down with a lot of things that you have to provide. Also, we have a blog with a large amount of information that will give you a lot of insight of the industries that are out there, what's happening in our small business environment across the country, a lot of things that will benefit you, some good stories, things like that. This is constantly being updated 3 to 4 times a month with our blog, our contact information, the hours that are available, our business educational center, to where lots of information here. Even if you're an existing business or just starting out or thinking about starting a business, this information will be pertinent for you because of the fact of the topics and things like that. I want to also mention we're not just about funding. We want to build a community, a resource center to where Reset Funding is going to be a valuable asset for you to communicate, things that we can talk about one-on-one or in a group session, whatever you prefer, in the way of giving back and forth information. For instance, I've had a lot of successful businesses and some businesses that have been not so successful. So going through those ravines and valleys and whatnot, I can assist businesses that are on the startup, businesses that may not be functioning as of yet, and it's just an idea, to avoid a lot of pitfalls to ensure a better outcome, more success, things like that. So this isn't just about lending here at resetfunding.com. Again, it's about building a strong community, insights, one-on-one, whatever we can do to assist you, most importantly. And then showing more businesses we serve. Here, 99% of the small businesses out there we cover. Okay, so this site, that's a quick overview. Let's get into those particular, our expertise and what we specialize in here, those two topics. So that first topic that we're going to cover, like I mentioned, 0% interest business and personal credit line cards up to $150,000. Okay, so let's talk about this here. Don't miss out on our special deal featuring 0% interest on both business and personal credit line. Okay, so this doesn't have to be business. This can be for personal issues as well. If you have some things you would like to pay off, maybe some higher interest rates that are just crippling you right now with monthly payments, we can zip those down into a 0% to assist, pay those particular debts off quicker. Now, we also have options all the way up to 18-month terms at 0%, and then when that time frame comes up, we'll be able to assist, maybe do a rollover for you, whatever you need done to continue on with 0% financing or other particular finance options. Now, once approved, you're going to have the opportunity to acquire 4 to 6 accounts collectively. Those are going to be able to offer you limits up to $150,000. We traditionally see anywhere from about $40,000 to $80,000 on a percentage-wise of people that qualify. But again, we've had it higher, obviously. So it just depends on your current situation of the money that you can receive. And we can find that out very quickly. All funds will be made available in the name of your business or your personal account, ensuring easy access cash when needed. Our payment plans are designed to be budget-friendly, typically requiring only 2% of the balance as a monthly payment. So make that simple. Here at, as we see here, for example, if you have $10,000 credit line, your monthly payment would be $200. To qualify, very simple qualifications. You just need a 680 FICO score. We will look maybe 675, things like that. It just depends, case by case. But if you got a 680 or above, you're in like Flynn, it's ready to go, right? And the limit, the minimum, I should say, limit would be $5,000 credit, all the way up, like I say, up here to $150,000 and exceeding, just depending on your situation. So a minimum of $5,000 if that's what you needed. Okay, so experience the benefits of 0% interest credit card, widely recognized in its promotional period spanning from 12 to 18 months. Let's stop here though and talk about a couple of things. Number one, it's very difficult to get this amount doing it yourself. And the reason why is you'll go apply and you'll get your card, but what happens is it's being reported, right, to the bureaus and whatnot, and it's out there that you've actually inquired about it in your credit report, right? It might not show what you got for a little while because it takes a little time for them to report, but it will show that you have been inquiring. Once that happens, when you go to get another card, let's say, you're not going to be able to do it. The banks, they already see that you've already are inquiring or maybe even already have done one, whatever. It's going to limit you of the amounts that you can get. If you let us do it, we stack those cards and apply for all of them at the same time. You're getting access to the funds that you need at a higher level. So people think they can do it themselves. Not a possibility. Number two, if you're not interested in getting the cards, we have a way to actually get the capital off those cards that you qualify for and put that money directly into your account. So that's another option that we offer. Okay, so very nice that way. This funding solution presents an excellent opportunity to consolidate or transfer high interest debts, enabling you to make interest-free payments and reduce your financial burden, whatever that may be. Additionally, it serves as a versatile financial tool, perfect for covering expenses related to marketing, educational service, product acquisitions, equipment purchases, and various other transactions that can be facilitated through a credit card. And like I say, we also can provide you the direct capital right into your bank account that you qualify for. We take care of that for you as well. Moving forward, we're going to go now down to equipment financing from pencils to bulldozers, okay? So this is really unique. Reset Funding provides financing solutions for a wide range of industries and equipment types, including those traditionally considered challenging to finance, okay? We cater to both startup ventures and established companies throughout the United States. The transaction size is anywhere from minimally $5,000 all the way up to $100 million. So it might be bulldozers, right, just like it says. Or it could be right down to pencils, right, whatever you need, right? So it covers that range from really A to Z. You can't go wrong, right? We cover every type of situation you may need. You may need 50 computers, 10 computers, 5 computers, 2 computers, whatever it may be. Or other things for a store, to furnish a store or whatever is going on. Or if it's even an online business, things of that nature. So rates and terms are interest rates and terms customized to suit individual circumstances, taking into account factors such as credit history, time in business, industry sector, and specific type of equipment being financed. Our rates can be as low as 4.99% and reach up to 35%, and our terms range from 1 year to 10 years to accommodate your unique financial needs. Okay, just tell us what you need. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we're a good fit, if we can provide you what you need as well. Now, as I mentioned, part 2, we're going to cover more particular topics. So as you can see, we cover a lot of different types of lending solutions to fit whatever you're about and what you need. Also, our real estate financing, short-term rental loans, fixed to rent, fix and flip, renovation loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, build to rent. These are all based on passive income situations, helping builders, helping people that are doing fix and flips, things of that nature, bridge loans. We talk all about this stuff coming up. I want to end on this. I'll put the links in everything that we're talking about here as well, but visit our YouTube channel. We have something like 70 videos out there that cover a tremendous amount of topics to put you in a position of strength. A lot of information. So we have shorts, we have regular videos, things like that. So I'm going to leave you with this. If you have any questions, reach out. Don't hesitate. If we can assist you in anything to do with your business, maybe ideas, things of that nature. Again, it doesn't have to be just about funding and money. It can be about guidance and things of that nature if we're able to do that. So we look forward to the next one. We appreciate it, and look forward in the next couple of days of part 2, and we'll move forward. Have a great day.